Hello everyone. So this is a question from RE-NEET 2026. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Heating NaCl with concentrated H2SO4 and MnO2 results in oxidation of Mn. Okay. Statement 2. Heating NaI with concentrated H2SO4 and MnO2 results in reduction of Mn. And we have to determine which one is correct, which one is incorrect. Okay. So here they have mentioned oxidation, here they have mentioned reduction. Okay. The chapters involved is P block 12th and qualitative analysis. Okay. So let's talk about statement 1. And in NCERT lab manual, this reaction is clearly mentioned. So it's important to read it thoroughly. Okay. So you will find the link in the description. So when we heat manganese dioxide, that is MnO2, when we heat this guy with a mixture of common salt and concentrated H2SO4 plus common salt, that is NaCl plus H2SO4. When we heat these three, we get a greenish yellow gas which is chlorine, Cl2. Okay, so with respect to reaction, I can write NaCl plus MnO2 plus H2SO4 will give me MnSO4 plus Na2SO4 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Okay, and upon balancing, here we will have a 2, here we will also have a 2, here also, yeah. So this is the balanced reaction. So this reaction is used to make, or this reaction is a method to prepare chlorine gas. Okay, important. Now to check whether Mn is, that is manganese, is oxidized or reduced, we have to calculate its oxidation state in MnO2 and MnSO4, to which it is changing. Okay, so let's assume it's X in MnO2. So therefore X plus 2 into minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, so this minus 2 is the charge of each oxygen, and this 0 is the total charge, which is 0, and we will get X is equal to plus 4. Okay, so therefore the oxidation state of Mn in MnO2 is plus 4. Similarly, let's assume the oxidation state of Mn in MnSO4 as X again. So I can write X plus 1 into minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, so this minus 2 is the charge of each sulfate ion, and this 0 is the total charge. Okay, so therefore X will be equal to plus 2. So therefore the oxidation state of Mn in MnSO4 is plus 2. Okay, so you can see as MnO2 changes from as Mn changes from MnO2 to MnSO4, there is a decrease in oxidation number from plus 4 to plus 2. Okay, so and we know that the decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Okay, so Mn is undergoing reduction. So therefore statement 1 is incorrect, because statement 1 says that heating NaCl with concentrated H2SO4 and MnO2 results in oxidation. So it is incorrect. It should have been reduction of Mn. Okay, now coming to statement 2. So to make iodine, we can use a similar method, that is react sodium iodide, which is NaI, with concentrated H2SO4 and manganese dioxide, which is MnO2. Okay, so with respect to reaction, NaI reacting with MnO2, which is manganese dioxide, and H2SO4, so we will get I2 plus MnSO4 plus Na2SO4 plus H2. Okay, so upon balancing, I will have a 2 here, I will have a 2 here, I will also have a 2 here. Okay, so this reaction is used to make violet iodine crystals. Okay, So this reaction is used to make violet iodine crystals. Okay, and there is one more link in the description to see how these crystals actually look like. Okay, so to check whether Mn is oxidized or reduced, we see that here also MnO2 is changing to MnSO4. Okay, and therefore the oxidation state of Mn changes from +4, here it was +4, here it is +2, as we have already calculated in the previous case. So therefore you can see there is decrease in oxidation number, that is from +4 to +2 of Mn as MnO2 changes to MnSO4. Okay, and we know that decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Okay, so therefore Mn is undergoing reduction. So therefore statement 2, which says that heating NaI with concentrated H2SO4 and MnO2 results in reduction of Mn is correct. So it's a correct statement. Okay, so therefore the final answer is statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Okay, thank you.